What's up guys, today we are looking at this tefal Access Steam Plus hand steamer. I'll put the full model number in the description. Is there a model number here? Not sure. Okay, so a common problem with this tefal hand steamer is that if you leave water in the reservoir, in this thing here, if you leave water in here, what will happen is that the pipe that goes from the reservoir to the actual steam head gets moldy or oxidizes. I noticed that when I've already fixed this before, but I noticed that there was a little bits of white things on this screen because I had let this screen or whatever, this cap, this top, sit on top of here for a while. And I'm going to show you how to fix a broken, well, this is one of the solutions to fix the tefal hand steamer. So what you'll notice is when you turn it on that everything powers up, the lights go on, but when you press the button, no steam comes out. So it's probably blocked. It's quite an easy solution, similar solution to getting the mold off the guitar case. That's another video that I did. So what you need is, you need a Q-tip, cotton bud, whatever you call it, and you need some diluted vinegar. So this is 1:1 water, 1:1 vinegar. And what you need to do is you spray a little bit on here, and what you need to do is just dab it in as much as you can and just let it flow. Like do that, you know, about 5 to 10 times. If it is severe, you can go ahead, like I use a spray bottle because it's really handy. You can go ahead and spray it in there, and you have to leave it upright like this. So I use 2 of my shoes just to let it rest in here like that. It has to be quite upright with this pointing up, so all the vinegar goes down and gets rid of the oxidization. And you need to leave it over there for 1 full night. And once that once it dries up, it should be all clear. You fill up the water and you let it, you know, boil up, and then it should be working again. If it doesn't, you can apply more, but I do not recommend you to open this. Let me show you this. I tried to open it, but I was unsuccessful, so that's why I didn't do it. I don't have tools on me. I think they don't want you to open it. Okay, so basically there is a rubber cap here, right here, and there is a hex, or you know, the star screw that you need to open it. Luckily I do have a set of them, so I was able to open it, and you have to really yank this out, but there's nothing like that. If it's just oxidized, you just fill in this gap. You can actually see there's still a little bit. Maybe I need to do it every couple of weeks or so. So I only use this maybe once a week, depending on what I wear, but it is handy enough, and that is one way to rescue the tefal Access Steam Plus. Alright guys, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord, links are in the description. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.